Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is kind of a follow-up from my last Madam Glam haul video. So I posted a poll on my community tab asking what should I do with all of my Madam Glam goodies, and 38% of you guys said the marble ink swatches, followed by 32% wanted the cat eye, and then 29% wanted the gel polish remover. Thank you guys so much for all of your votes, and I will plan to get to all of these, but for today I'm going to do the most voted one, which is the marble ink, and that's what we're going to do today. So yeah, let's get right into it. So these are the ones I have right now. They do have a lot more different colors. These are just the few that I picked out. So I have the blue, purple, black, and then I have their clear ink, which is what we will use to disperse it, and you'll see that when I do the swatch. So these marble inks are best done over white. This nail is already a pretty clear natural color, but I am going to grab a white gel polish from Born Pretty. This is from their Kunkat collection, and I'm just going to apply this over here just to make sure the base is nice and white, which is a great base for doing these ink nail art. And then I'm going to be using their little mini lamp to cure it. So I'm just going to pop under there and then press the button on the top. I'm then going to do a couple more so that we can swatch all three colors. Then I'm going to grab a little alcohol and a paper towel and wipe off the tacky layer on each of the nails. So this is the first color I'm going to try. It's called Purple Ink. I'm simply going to take it and just dabble it around randomly on the nail. Then taking the clear ink, I'm going to disperse the color a little bit more. Then you can go back and add a little bit more. Now these are not gels, so I will just let it air dry for about 30 seconds. Today I'm using Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat. The nail dried really quickly in only about 30 seconds, so I'm just going to apply the top coat. And there's the first one, guys. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty and so easy to do. Now what I'm going to do is go swatch out the two other colors for you guys. Alrighty guys, so here are the three different colors I tried out. I think they're all super gorgeous and easy to work with, and just overall a really awesome way of creating nail art. Now, it's been a while since I've done a pedicure, so I'm actually going to be doing one in this video using these marble inks. I think I'm going to do the purple. So let's get right into that. So I already cleaned off my toenails from my last pedicure. I'm going to start off by grabbing the Born Pretty gel base coat. I don't actually have one from Madam Glam yet, so that's why I'm just using this one. And I'm just using my big lamp. I'm just going to cure that for 30 seconds. For the base color, this time I'm going to be using a gel polish by Madam Glam called Not Your Usual White. It has kind of a shimmery, pearly finish to it with kind of a purple tone. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this color to all my toenails. So next what I'm going to be doing is using the purple ink to decorate all of the toenails. And some of them are pretty small, so I'm just going to put just a tiny little bit, and then using the clear ink to disperse it just as I did on the swatch. I love that when how you just apply the ink, it just does the effect for you, really. For some of the nails, I was trying to create kind of a smoky pattern of the darkest parts of the color going across the nail diagonally. And this is what they look like. What's really cool about this ink is that it does air dry super fast. Purple and gold go really pretty together, so I have some of this gold foil. It's not real or anything. I think I got it from like a chocolate candy wrapper. But anyways, I'm just going to chop some of it up into teeny little pieces. Okay, so next we need something sticky that we can stick this on. How about some top coat? I'm going to apply a thin coat, and then use a toothpick to pick up and place the tiny pieces of gold foil. Well guys, there is the finished pedicure. I love how this one turned out. Well guys, that is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me try out these different inks and do a pedicure on myself with them. For my next video, I'm going to be doing the second most voted for option, which is the cat eye and peacock gel polishes that I got. You might have already catched a glimpse of what I did on my left hand during the video. Anyways, I want to thank you so much for watching. I do have more nail art tutorials like this on my channel if you'd be interested. I hope to see you all in my next video and have a magical day.